How to fix no sound on YouTube. First of all, you need to ensure your device volume is turned up and not muted. For that, you can use the volume up button and tap three dots and check the media or any kind of ring or notification slider is turned on and increased to the fullest. After that, you need to make sure the video sound settings are not muted. Sometimes a quick restart can fix software glitches causing no sound. For that, make sure to hold the power button on your device. And simply, you need to swipe towards restart and restart your device. After that, you need to make sure you're using the latest version of the YouTube app. To check, you need to go ahead and open Play Store or simply App Store depending upon your device and search for YouTube. If there is any updates button, select update and update it to the latest version. If above step did not work, simply clear the cache and cookies to solve any issues. Tap and hold YouTube app and select I button. Now simply choose storage uses and tap clear cache. Once done, you need to refresh YouTube application by launching it, and after that you need to try that the sound issue has been resolved or not.
दिन एउटै कुरा भइरहेछ सेम कुरा.
So we can see that our YouTube no sound issue has been fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.